Experiencing slow speeds or connection drops with your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6? You're not alone. About 15 to 20% of users report these issues. First, ensure your router, like the Spectrum Wave 2 or 3, has the latest firmware. Use the Spectrum app to check for updates. Reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches. Confirm your device is within 30 to 50 feet of the router, free from obstructions. Run a speed test at spectrum.net/speedtest to compare your actual speed to your plan, e.g. 400-600 Mbps. If speeds are consistently low, consider interference. Microwaves and cordless phones can disrupt the signal. For persistent issues, Spectrum's AI-driven diagnostics in the app can automate troubleshooting, and proactive customer support is available for complex cases. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, delve deeper by logging into your router's settings to check for IP conflicts or DNS issues. Change the default password and enable WPA3 encryption for better security. Prioritize devices or use quality of service features to manage bandwidth if you have many devices connected. Channel overcrowding can cause problems. Consider switching to a dedicated 6 GHz band if your router supports Wi-Fi 6E. If you have a large home, a mesh network solution like Eero or Google Nest, which Spectrum partners with, might improve coverage. As Spectrum rolls out Wi-Fi 7 compatible routers by 2026, keep an eye out for upgrades, promising faster speeds and better IoT device handling. Remember, outdated cabling can also be a culprit, so consider upgrading to Cat6 Ethernet cables for wired connections.